Alright guys, so check me out, look. Right now, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. This whole quarantine, corona stuff, like Indiana right now, we got a travel ban. Like after 8 o'clock, we can't go outside. I mean, we can go outside, but if you caught driving around and you ain't got an essential worker form, donezo, you're getting a fine, probably like $1,000, something like that. I ain't got $1,000 to be spending on fines right now. So look, check me out, look. I've been in the crib. I've been doing push-ups because the gym is closed. I've been working on shoes. I've been playing Call of Duty, you know, the PS4. You know, if you on Warzone, drop your gamer tag, your PSN name, PC name, whatever it is. Add me, we could get some games in together. But that's not the fact of this video. That's not the point right now. The point of this video is I'm about to start a new series, and it's called Quarantine Chronicles, and what these chronicles is, you know, I'm still getting shoe orders and stuff. Like I got customer shoes that I need to be doing, so I'm gonna get to that. And I got some shoes just to customize. I got a lot of shoes to do, so I'm gonna drop a video every day, probably like 8 p.m. 6 to 8 p.m. around that time frame, and it's gonna be me customizing shoes or doing something random. It might not be me customizing shoes, it might just be me vlogging what I did today, what I ate, how many push-ups I did. But we're gonna start this one off with, I'm gonna do some Air Force Ones, you know, good old Air Force Ones. So I really need an idea, and my brain is confusion right now. So hold up, I got an idea. Watch this. So I got these forces that I actually did a while ago. I customized them and stuff, and I just recently went back through and took all the paint off the swooshes, and it was some real durable paint. And these are splatters, so they're kind of hard to get off, but it is prepped and acetone and taped up and stuff, ready to go. But I'm gonna be calling some friends and getting some ideas real quick, so give me 1 second and we'll get this down. Hey, so I'm making a YouTube video. You're on camera right now, by the way. I'm making a YouTube video.
What's up, YouTube?
I got these shoes right here, these Air Force Ones, and I need an idea what to do to them. Hey, Leo.
Hey, Mom, I'll be right back. I'm gonna answer this phone real quick. All right?
Oh my God.
Yeah. All right.
Who are you talking to?
What's up?
Check me out. You're on camera right now. But I'm making a YouTube video, and I need ideas from friends on what to do with these Air Force Ones. So throw me like one idea, and I'm gonna throw it into the shoes.
Can I give you like a movie name and then see what you do with it?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna say, can I give you 2 movie names and you pick one?
Oh my God. Go ahead.
Alright. It's either Lion King or Toy Story.
Lion King or Toy Story? All right, I'm gonna go with Toy Story.
What's up, bro?
My guy, I got
My
these.
camera?
Huh?
My camera? I'm about to show you my PlayStation.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Anyway, I got these Air Force Ones right here, and I need an idea. So at this point, I'm kind of stuck because I got more splatters, a tree, Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story, and one undetermined. So I think I'm gonna call some more people. Hold up. I just thought of something. I have a whole Instagram that I could use. Let me just go live real quick, just like this. Checking connection. This little challenge where I just call all my friends on FaceTime and I ask them what should I do to these Air Force Ones, and I just need everyone to just throw out, I don't know, one word, one theme, one color of what I should do to these shoes. White Tiger, okay, I like it. Camo, Galaxy. OVO. Alex said Corona. It's not funny. It's not a laughing matter. Oh Lord, what else was said? Well, we're just gonna go with those ideas right there. So we got Buzz Lightyear, Splatter, Galaxy, White Tiger, OVO, Corona. There's some other stuff that I'm gonna, you know, put up in there, but that's what we got so far. So 3, 2, 1, and first element is done. That is the tiger stripe. They said white tiger, but I just did an orange tiger. So check it out. You got the tiger stripe across the front of the toe box. Did it on both shoes, and I just did the toe box black. Probably gonna do something else to that, but I don't know. I kind of like the contrast of it going into black right there. So we'll see. Next step is, I'm not sure. Let's just get into it.